I just wondered in CHDWM how I can make these icons bigger. So it's not about this line 31, it's about the icons and where they're coming from a font. So rather than, I think was 11 or 12, I'm using now size 16. All my icons are coming from EOSefka. Just piece of advice in all 33 desktops I've had in the past. Use one font, use that font, and don't start mixing, because it's always breaks and changes. We've seen it even in the ArcoLinux tweak tool in the past, right? This was still called ArcoLinux, and we used icons and it looked everywhere different. Every user had a different ArcoLinux tweak tool because of the fact that they have different TTFs, different fonts, and it was all a jumble. So we went back to text. We can't have control over what people install. So that's important, right? If you see strange things, and it's fonts, often it's fonts. So I've made it a little bit bigger, that's it, 16. We can go back to, I don't know what was, it was 14 I've tested, 22 I've tested, 12 is the default, right? So I'm gonna go back to 12. How is that done? That's not it. Okay, then I'm going to this desktop and I'm gonna move you over here and I'm gonna move you over here. This is super shift arrow, moving from screen 2 to screen 1. So this is your configuration. It's saved, and all I have to do is make and sudo make install. That's it. And super shift R. Watch the size of the icons, and we're back to the small ones. So it's line 34. All right, have fun.